Pegolanf is a range of cement-based adhesives for thin-set tile installation. Before starting with the application, verify that the substrate is properly even. Using a 2-meter-long straight edge, verify that it does not separate from the wall more than 3 millimeters at any point. Check as well that the surface has the necessary characteristics of roughness, porosity, resistance, and cleanness. Once all these verifications have been made, you can start with the preparation of the mixture. Pour the necessary quantity of water and adhesive into a bucket. Mix the contents manually or mechanically until you have an even and workable paste. Once the product is mixed, it is very important to allow the paste to stand in order to let the additives act and the water distribute itself evenly. After 5 minutes, remix the paste slightly. For applying the adhesive, spread it over a small surface area. This prevents the formation of a surface film of hardened adhesive before placing the tile. With the notched part of the trowel, spread the product evenly. Choose the size of the notch depending on the size of the tiles you are going to place. The greater the size of the tile, the bigger the size of the notch. Bear in mind that the final thickness of the adhesive will be half the depth of the ridge. Once you have spread the adhesive, place the tiles by pressing and moving them in order to obtain a correct adherence over the entire surface. Verify that the entire surface of the tile is in direct contact with the adhesive. Always leave a minimum joint of at least 2 millimeters between tiles. For this, you can use plastic spacers of different sizes in the vertexes. Use a level to verify that the coating is even on the whole surface. Before proceeding with the grouting, it is necessary to wait 24 hours in the case of vertical surfaces, and 48 hours in the case of horizontal ones. For the preparation of the grout, add some color to a bucket with water. Mix it manually or mechanically, and if necessary, pour water until a consistent paste is obtained, but not a liquid one. Once the paste is thoroughly mixed, let it stand 5 minutes and remix it slightly. Fill the joints with a rubber trowel or grouting gun, flattening the material firmly. The mixture must be applied diagonally to the joints, pressing the mixture into the joints and removing the excess. Before grouting, verify that the joints are dry and clean all along their length and depth. After 20 minutes, clean the surface with a slightly wet sponge. When the product starts to look dull, it means that it has hardened, and therefore you can start to polish the surface with a clean and dry cloth.